Do you ever catch your reflection and realize your look isn't keeping pace with how young you feel inside? It's often not about your age. It's about small, outdated choices that send the wrong signal. True elegance is ageless, but certain habits garments. And styling decisions can inadvertently make you look older than you are. In this video, we're going to be honest about 7 style traps that can instantly date your look, and more importantly, show you the simple, modern swaps you can make. These are small adjustments that yield huge results, keeping your look fresh, sophisticated, and gracefully current. Welcome to Timeless Wisdom. We're here to celebrate confidence and timeless beauty at every stage of life. Getting older is about evolving, not fading away. It means dressing sharper, standing taller, and embracing your present self with poise. If you're ready to refresh your wardrobe and look your absolute best, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Every week, we deliver practical fashion and beauty advice designed for women who want to remain polished, relevant, and confident, no matter their age. Let's jump right into the very first thing that might be silently adding years to your appearance. 1. Wearing outdated, oversized clothes. One of the biggest style mistakes that quietly screams old lady is hiding your figure under oversized, shapeless clothes. Many women choose loose cardigans, baggy tops, or elastic waist pants because they feel comfortable. But comfort doesn't have to mean careless. Clothes that drown your frame can make you appear heavier, shorter, and older than you really are. Instead of wearing boxy sweaters and long, flowy tops that hang past the hips, try structured pieces that gently follow your shape. A tailored blazer, cinched waist dress, or belted trench coat can instantly refine your silhouette. Swap those oversized tunics for silk blouses, fitted knit tops, or lightweight button-downs tucked slightly at the waist to create a polished, youthful proportion. As for bottoms, trade elastic waist pull-on pants for high-rise stretch trousers or straight-leg jeans in a dark wash. They elongate the legs and create a clean line. If you love comfort, look for pieces with hidden stretch panels or soft tailoring so you still move easily without losing elegance. Fabric also makes a difference. Heavy, stiff materials can weigh you down, while fluid fabrics like cotton, silk blends, viscose, or fine wool crepe flow beautifully with your body. Avoid bulky knits that add volume and choose fine-gauge sweaters or cashmere cardigans that drape softly instead. The goal isn't to hide your body, it's to honor it. When your clothes fit properly, you instantly look slimmer, taller, and more confident. So next time you reach for that oversized cardigan or loose top, ask yourself, does this express confidence or conceal it? 2. Neglecting your hair. Hair is one of the most powerful style signals we have. Yet, it's also one of the most neglected. An outdated hairstyle can instantly add 10 years to your appearance. The same cut you've had for decades that once framed your face perfectly may no longer flatter your features or reflect who you are today. As we age, our hair texture, density, and even color change, and that means our styling should. So if you're still clinging to a helmet-style cut, a deep side part, or boxy layers from years ago, it might be time for a modern update. Consider softer, face-framing layers that add lift and movement. A shoulder-length blunt bob with subtle layers looks polished yet effortless, while a pixie with longer bangs can highlight your cheekbones beautifully. These styles bring lightness and life back to your face. No stiffness, no bulk. When it comes to color, harsh, one-tone dyes can look flat and artificial. Instead, add dimension with balayage highlights or soft lowlights in shades that complement your skin tone. Think caramel, honey, chestnut, or silver blonde. If you're embracing your natural gray, enhance it with a gloss treatment or silver toner to keep it shiny and bright, not yellow or dull. Aging hair also needs more hydration. Invest in lightweight, nourishing shampoos and deep conditioners that restore moisture without weighing hair down. Products like argan oil serums, leave-in keratin sprays, or heat protectant mists can keep your strands healthy and lustrous. A regular trim every 6 to 8 weeks keeps ends fresh and prevents frizz. Your hair is your crown, and when it's well kept, it radiates energy, health, and elegance. Don't be afraid to evolve your look. A fresh, modern hairstyle doesn't erase who you are. It simply reveals the vibrant woman you've become. 3. Wearing the wrong shoes are the silent storytellers of your outfit. The wrong pair can age your entire look, no matter how chic your clothes are. Outdated orthopedic shoes, overly chunky sandals, or worn-out flats can drag your outfit down and signal old-fashioned instead of elegant. But the good news is, comfort and style no longer have to compete. Start by swapping thick, heavy shoes for sleeker, modern silhouettes. Instead of those bulky walking shoes, try a pair of low-block heel pumps in nude, taupe, or soft metallic tones. They elongate your legs and add lift without sacrificing comfort. Replace old-fashioned Velcro sandals with leather slingbacks or minimalist slide sandals. Simple, streamlined designs that still support your feet. For casual days, skip clunky sneakers and go for white leather trainers or neutral slip-on loafers. Comfortable but sophisticated enough to wear with dresses, jeans, or trousers. If you love flats, avoid ultra-thin ballet shoes that provide no structure. Instead, choose pointed-toe flats or structured loafers that sharpen your look and give polish to any outfit. Color and material also make a huge difference. Avoid shoes in outdated shades like dull beige or overly shiny patent leather. Instead, look for matte finishes, suede textures, or a soft metallic sheen that feel current and elevated. Keep them clean and conditioned. Nothing ruins elegance faster than scuffed shoes or peeling soles. The right shoe grounds your outfit with quiet confidence. It says you're practical, but still care about presentation. Because when your footwear looks refined, every step you take looks intentional. And that's the essence of ageless style. 4. Ignoring accessories or overdoing them. Accessories are like punctuation. They complete your outfit and define your tone. But too many women over 50 either skip them entirely or go to the other extreme, wearing chunky jewelry and matching sets that instantly date their look. The truth is, accessories can either elevate your style or anchor it in the past. If your jewelry box is full of large plastic beads, heavy gold chains, or perfectly matched earrings and necklaces, it's time for a refresh. Modern elegance is all about subtlety and balance. Replace loud, bulky pieces with delicate layered necklaces, thin gold hoops, or a single statement cuff. Pearls, for example, never go out of style. Just choose modern pearl studs or uneven broke styles instead of old-fashioned strands. Handbags also make a huge difference. Oversized, sagging tote bags or heavily embellished purses can look outdated and overwhelming. Swap them for structured, medium-sized handbags in neutral tones like camel, black, or soft gray. A crossbody bag with gold hardware or a top-handle satchel adds polish without bulk. Scarves should enhance, not overpower. Skip thick fringed scarves with busy prints and opt for light silk scarves or cashmere wraps in soft, solid hues. Drape them loosely around your neck instead of tying them tightly. It creates a relaxed sophistication. And when it comes to belts, a slim leather belt at the waist can transform a plain dress or cardigan into a flattering, finished look. Accessories are the easiest way to modernize your wardrobe without buying a new one. A few updated pieces, sleek jewelry, structured bags, and refined belts can instantly signal confidence and contemporary taste. Think of accessories as your finishing touch of grace. 5. Wearing too much makeup or none at all. Makeup is meant to enhance your beauty, not hide it. But as skin texture changes over time, the same heavy routines that once worked can start to backfire. Too much foundation, dark lipstick, or harsh eyeliner can settle into fine lines and emphasize age, while skipping makeup altogether can make your complexion look dull and washed out. The secret lies in balance. Instead of full coverage matte foundations, reach for tinted moisturizers or lightweight hydrating foundations that even tone without masking your skin. Brands that specialize in mature beauty, like IT Cosmetics CC Cream, NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, or L'Oreal Age Perfect Serum Foundation, give coverage and glow at once. Set lightly with a translucent setting powder only where you need it, not all over. Replace dark, heavy blush with cream blush in soft tones like rose, peach, or mauve. These melt into the skin and create a natural flush instead of sitting on top of it. For eyes, swap harsh black eyeliner for brown or charcoal pencils and trade glitter shadows for satin or matte neutral tones. Champagne and soft bronze brighten without exaggerating texture. Brows and lips are where many women unintentionally age themselves. Overly thin brows can harden your features, so softly fill them in with a brow pencil or tinted gel to restore structure. For lips, skip dark browns and deep purples. Instead, try rosy pinks, soft berries, or warm nudes with a touch of shine. Like Clinique Chubby Stick or Revlon Super Lustrous Shine. Think of your makeup as light, not paint. You want to reflect youthfulness, not recreate it. Soft, hydrated skin, natural color, and a hint of glow are your best beauty secrets after 50. Because the most elegant makeup look isn't about changing your face. It's about letting your confidence shine through it. 6. Wearing outdated glasses or frames. Glasses aren't just a vision aid. They're an extension of your face and a statement of style. Wearing old, outdated frames can unintentionally age you, no matter how polished the rest of your outfit is. Tiny rectangular metal frames from decades ago, thick plastic rims in dated colors, or overly embellished designs can make your entire look feel stuck in the past. The first step is to update your shape. Modern, flattering frames include slightly oversized square or round frames, soft cat-eye shapes, or gentle geometric designs that lift the face. These options highlight your features, balance proportions, and add subtle sophistication. Avoid tiny frames or heavy-rimmed glasses that create harsh lines across your face. Color matters as much as shape. Neutral shades like tortoiseshell, soft brown, matte black, or warm beige complement most skin tones and pair seamlessly with a variety of outfits. For a fresher look, try translucent pastel frames or soft metallics like rose gold or champagne, which brighten your complexion and modernize your style. Material and weight also play a role. Lightweight acetate or titanium frames sit comfortably on your face without pressing or sagging. Avoid bulky, stiff materials that create shadows and pull down the face. Sleek, minimal hardware keeps the design elegant and ageless. Function and fashion can coexist. If you need progressive lenses or blue light filters, look for frames that accommodate modern lens technology without adding visual bulk. A well-chosen frame can even enhance your overall wardrobe, acting like jewelry for your face. Ultimately, the right glasses communicate thoughtfulness and confidence. They frame your eyes, highlight your features, and show that you pay attention to details. Upgrading your eyewear is a small change with major impact. Your face instantly appears brighter, more refined, and effortlessly stylish. 7. Wearing outdated underwear and lingerie. You might not think anyone notices your underwear, but the truth is, it affects the way your clothes fit and how your silhouette looks. Wearing worn-out bras, old elastic, or shapewear that no longer fits can silently age your appearance. Clothes drape differently, tops sag, and dresses lose their shape, creating a tired, unpolished look. Even if the outfit itself is stylish, the solution starts with investing in well-fitting bras that support and shape your body correctly. Forget keeping bras for decades. Styles and fits change over time. Brands like Wacol, Chantel, or Third Love offer structured, comfortable options that lift without pinching. A good bra instantly smooths the torso and enhances posture, making even basic outfits look elegant. Underwear fabrics also matter. Thin, stretched-out cotton or old lace can create visible lines or bunch under clothing. Swap them for seamless microfiber briefs, high-waisted shaping panties, or silk chemises. These modern fabrics lie flat, move with your body, and provide a smooth, youthful line under dresses, trousers, and skirts. Lingerie isn't just practical, it's also about confidence. Well-chosen pieces in flattering colors like nude, soft pastels, or classic black make you feel polished from the inside out, even if no one sees it. Knowing your foundation layers are sleek and supportive changes the way you carry yourself. Your posture and your presence. Seasonal updates matter, too. Bras and shapewear can lose elasticity over time, so make a habit of replacing key undergarments every 12 to 18 months. A simple refresh ensures that your clothing sits perfectly, prevents sagging, and maintains the elegance of your outfits. Remember, elegance isn't only about what the world sees. It starts underneath. Wearing modern, supportive, and well-fitted underwear ensures your clothes flatter your body. Your confidence radiates, and your style feels effortless. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, proving that true sophistication starts with the foundation. So, there you have it. We've uncovered 7 common style habits that can unintentionally date your look, along with simple, elegant fixes that will keep you feeling and looking fresh at any stage. Remember, refining your appearance after a certain age isn't about chasing youth. It's about maximizing your look right now. It's centered on refinement, self-knowledge, and the quiet power that comes from truly knowing who you are. Elegance is something you project, not something you purchase. I encourage you to take these insights, play around with them, and embrace the version of yourself that feels the most confident and beautiful. Because when you feel fantastic on the inside, that energy shines through in every detail, from your outfit to the way you move through the world. If you found these tips helpful and enjoyed this guide, please hit the like button, subscribe for more advice on graceful living, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Share this video with a friend who appreciates classic style. Until next time, stay confident, stay poised, and keep evolving your style.